Hey!
See, madam, see, no go they sneeze this thing for you. In fact, madam, madam, let go before I use this thing break your head. I beg you, let go. Oga.
Well done.
Where your paper?
My papers.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Well, I say something to worry you for. I say give me papers. You go, you carry this thing they give me. No, you no get sense. Okay, give me paper, sir. Ah, tell me.
Yeah, this one na paper. No mind that guy. Yeah.
You get sense, I beg. Yeah. See paper. Next time you come here, say paper. You give me papers. No problem. As you take the door, the plan say no, be you get this meter. Eh?
Officer, am I not the one that paid the papers?
Okay, no mind.
My car.
No mind that because so you be better person. If you say that this guy, if for day here till tomorrow. Ah. Now, madam, be that.
No, na my masquerade.
Now your masquerade.
Don't come they ask me the papers, so.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So now don't give me papers. So make I say on a boat, make on a take the go. Do fast. Good
again.
I'm not gonna open boot.
I just settled you right now.
Now paper you pay for boot.
Okay, no problem. Okay, baby, come out.
Open I'm nothing there. Make I just see what's in there inside.
Officer, come now. Come, maybe check and maybe they go back.
Sister, nothing there inside this car now. Eh?
Open this time.
Now just my bag. They say.
Hey! I hear me.
Agbaji kamuso nazo wewe mere agbaji kamuso nazo wewe mere
Jesus! What?
Baby, you just need to calm down. Just calm down. Please, baby. Just get me down my bag over there. Yeah, the transparent one. Down my bag.
no.
Baby! Baby! Chris!
Jesus,